It is a big issue and concerning issue for the children as well as the parents. When the age limit of consensus sex was 18 and it immediately decreased from 18 to 16 by the Supreme Court, it's a highly devastating thing. And as well as when it is forcefully imposed to the student of school that neutral bathroom they use both girls and boys also, and as well as the forcefully imposing in the sports team that a third gender. So the thinking of a teenager boys or girls must have to be different from a mature man. So in this context, the consensus sex from 16 to 18, when it is decreased, so the people, the teenager, they are going to more arrogant, become more arrogant for the consentment, because when they know about the law, they think that anybody not stop them, even their guardian or parents not to be stop them. So for arrogancy they doing with having sex each other. So there have a different elements in this. It's a highly debatable thing, and across the India even union government protest this consensus, because it's also a violate of POCSO Act 2012, because according to the 2012 POCSO Act, that after 18 teenager they can get the consent. So the highly concerning thing of this devastating incident, when a petition before the Supreme Court, Indira Joy Singh Council, they give the discussion and allow for the teenager, if there have been allow of 16 to having sex, then why not allow in 16 driving or drinking or anything else? So exception not make the rule. If anybody want to breach the law, so therefore not, you can't the decrease the age of the breach the law. So that's being happened. There have been lot of criticism are coming from across the India. So this decision, it make our society decline, because it is a devastating thing. In 16 years, even science can't allow a 16 years boys or girls for consent. And even in USA or in UK also, though there have it the rule, there have it's allow in 16 years age to consent, but they also there have doing propaganda that's from government that you don't do that, it's highly affected the body as well as mind also. There have another problem, that at 16 or 18 years girls, if she conceive a pregnancy, so therefore it is not allowed by the science. Science always say that after 21 you can take the baby.